How to learn machine learning on DataCamp. Do you guys want to learn machine learning on DataCamp website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, search for DataCamp website. As soon as you enter the DataCamp website, log in into your account with a registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you will be able to see this option search bar. Just simply tap on search bar and you will be able to view multiple courses like SQL, Python, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. You are looking for machine learning, right? Just simply click on it. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this interface where you can see many courses related to machine learning like understanding machine learning with tree-based model in Python, pre-processing for machine learning in Python. Just simply select the one according to your preference and start learning to enhance your skill. That's it guys. That's how you can learn machine learning on DataCamp website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.